All right, thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This is a quick video that I wanted to do, in response to some questions that I got regarding where could they go to view some type of a track record. I've done videos on this before. You can view the archives in the videos. I think it's called track record or something like that. I've done many of them. Also, I have the links on my homepage, my YouTube homepage. The website is Currency. It's CURRENSEE, currency.com. You have to, sign up to be a member. It's free. Once you do that, then you can go on and you can view my profile, which is PostScan72, and you can view some trades that I've made on there. It's real time, real accounts, real money, and it's all in Forex. All right. So you can check that out. Also in front of you is our risk disclosure. It's a shame that we supposedly live in a free country, one where we supposedly have free speech, but instead we have to use risk disclosure statements because people are too stupid to realize that they should not just take people's word for stuff, but do their own research and then decide if that is the right thing for them to do or not. But because we don't live in a free society, we live in a stupid society full of stupid people, we have to use stupid disclosures because people don't have common sense enough to realize what is before them. So I'm not even going to read it all. You can read the whole disclosure in the link at the bottom of this video, and it's also on my blog everywhere. All right, here it is. If you're too stupid to realize that investing in any type of security, whether it be a derivative or a stock or options or a futures contract, involves some sort of risk, then you don't need to be investing. You don't need to be trading. You don't need to be doing nothing. All right, you should just go to work, get your paycheck, and cash it and do what you do with it. Stay away from the markets. To the rest of you who actually have a brain, and even though you may not be sophisticated and know all the ins and outs of the markets, you still have common sense. Let's move on. All right. I have put this up here before, and people have questioned about it and all that. Anyway, here it is again. This here is my profile on currency.com. I have a real account. It's a real Forex account with real money, real trades. And this company, what they do is they track the best traders in the world. And I don't say that lightly. They literally track the best of the best. Okay? Now, the downside to this website is that you have the ability to to put on an account and whatnot, but you don't have to make all of your stuff viewable to the public on your profile. So like you can go in and view someone's profile, but not all the pertinent stuff will be there. I chose to have all my stuff open, so there's nothing hidden there. You can see just about everything on my stuff. In addition to that, when you go to the profile on currency.com, you see, it gives your stuff here. Of course, my profile is PostScan, okay? It gives you profile details, even shows the number of trades that you've done that they're tracking so far. And not only does it show all the information regarding the profile that you set up, has basic details about yourself. Then it you name your strategy, put in what your target is, whatever. Then it scrolls down here. It shows any open positions that you may have. If it does, it'll tell you. Then it gives recent activity regarding your profile, like trades you've done. Like here it says pending position, close the position, whatever. But here's the meat and the potatoes right here, and that's in this chart right here at the bottom, where you're ranked with all the other traders in the community on the website. All right, and like I say, they track the best of the best. There's some amazing people on here, okay? It tracks you with the community, and it tracks you with the S&P 500 to see, are you beating the S&P 500 or are you not beating the S&P 500? So it's a no-holds-barred kind of a deal. But the thing about this I like is that, it ranks you. And it gives some critical rankings. Like, for instance, here's your cumulative return, number of closed trades, your win percentage. It also looks at your max drawdown. It looks at number of days losing, consistency, and volatility. Okay. Now, you want your volatility to be low. You don't want to have a whole lot of volatility, because then that shows that your strategy may be like a gunslinger shooting from the hip kind of thing. You note here under my cumulative return, it's at 16.88%. The communities overall is down almost 50%, and the S&P is only showing a positive 4.23%. So I'm kicking the S&Ps behind. You also noticed here where it shows the chart of the trader's performance. This dark, this thick green line is me. See the consistency here. This orange line here is the S&P 500. You see the volatility there. And then the blue line is the overall community. Okay? Not doing so hot. All right? And it breaks it down. And you can see, different periods. You can see, the last 3 months. You can see year to date. You can see all these different things here. You can go around. You can play around with it. It breaks it down for you. It lets you show what's up. I don't spend a lot of time with this. And I don't necessarily do a lot in this particular account. Just from time to time I do, but it keeps a running total of it, so it lets you know how many trades you've done and all that stuff. You'll note that it's a pretty good profile. It's a pretty good track record, and up here you see your other rankings also. Okay, and it gives you a TIA score. All right. So that means I'm in the top percentile. I have an 84 rating. All right. The highest rating I've seen is like in the 90-something. So it goes up and down. But as you can see, I'm at an 84. All right. And I have an A right here next to my ranking, top percentile. I've been in the top spots several times this year. I've also been asked to be on their leaderboard, as far as working with them. Like someone posted earlier on a comment on one of my videos, why don't I go to this one website and do this and do that? Man, I'm on so many different sites and stuff. Whatever. I put up portfolios. I even have some mock ones. Like Marketocracy is not real money. All right, it's like you basically put in your stock picks and stuff, and you put in what you want to buy or sell. And then it tracks the performance, and it does a pretty good job of doing it. Marketocracy has some amazing people on that too. Some people laugh because it's just paper trading, but they don't understand the way that they do it. It's not paper trading. They're actually tracking your calls. And anyone who thinks that that's easy, be my guest. Feel free. You go in there and you show me what you can do. But I have all different types of stuff up there just to show people. But that's not my real performance. My real performance is when I do these videos and when I go on the radio show and doing the trading day with the live chat that I have on the private board, and with the spreadsheets that I give out to my subscribers. The track record is there. They can go and they can look at things that I've said. I don't take down any of my YouTube videos. I don't take down any of my my charts or my analysis or my commentaries for my blog. Everything is there. Pick a day, go back and look at it. You tell me. I don't have anything to prove to anybody. I'm not doing this for accolades. I don't need to be approved by anyone. I don't need anyone's approval for what I'm doing. I do it because I want to do it, because I love the markets. I love trading. That's what I do. All right? And I do this for real, with real money. I manage other people's money, other people's accounts. If I sucked, then no one would work with me. All right? If I was that bad, then I wouldn't be on YouTube. I wouldn't be on the radio programs and radio shows that I do. I wouldn't be there. It would be obvious that I don't know what I'm talking about. But the fact of the matter is, I do know what I'm talking about. And the fact that all the trolls are coming out is letting me know that I'm rustling feathers. I must be taking people's subscribers away. I guess people are tired of paying hundreds of dollars for newsletters and subscription services and stuff and live feeds, and they're not getting anything out of it. They're losing money. They're getting their faces ripped off, and people are getting tired of it. They're being tired of being fleeced by the Federal Reserve and fleeced by the banks and fleeced by everyone else. So it's about time they want some real answers. They want some real information they can really use. It's really going to help them. And someone who's not out to fleece them. Again, I charge nothing. I give myself out for free, not because I have to, but because I want to, because I actually like helping people. Do I have to do it? No. Anyway, I wasted enough time with this. All right, now we're going to get into some real stuff. Forget about the trolls and all the ridiculous comments. Just rest assured, any real responses to videos and questions and comments and opening up the marketplace of ideas, man, we can debate vigorously. We can go back and forth, but keep it respectful. Keep it real. Intelligent comments welcome, but anything that's foolish or ridiculous, not even on topic, just dumb, flaming, obscene stuff, I'm just going to delete those comments and I will ban those users. But anything that is an opposing view, an intelligent opposing viewpoint, or whatever, those are welcome. You guys post comments and stuff, rate the videos. But none of this dumb stuff, because we don't have time for that, and I will not feed trolls. I will not answer back. I will just ban you and delete your foolish, ridiculous comments. Everybody else, you're welcome. Let's have at it. Let's go back and forth. Let's have some really good open dialogue and discussions about what the powers that be are doing to the global economies. Let's talk about this stuff, all right? Anyway, keep your head up. Remember, take what you can, give nothing back.